Okay, in this video, as you can see, I'm going to show you how to determine the equation of a line in the form y equals mxb, the slope-intercept form, if you are given the y-intercept and a point that lies on the line. And in this video, I'm going to try and go through relatively quickly 3 different examples and show you how to determine the equation of a line in the slope-intercept form that goes through the point for number 1, 3, 8, as a y-intercept of minus 7. So first thing I like to do is write down what's been given. I know the intercept is minus 7, and the point is 3, 8. And we're going to determine the line, the equation of the line in the y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form. And in order to do that, we need a b and an m. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We're given the y-intercept is minus 7, so we need to find m, because we need an m, the slope, and the b to write the equation of the line. So all we're going to do is we're going to substitute the values in that we've been given for b, x, and y and solve this equation for m. And I'm going to do that right over here. It says up here that this is x value and this is the y value. Y is equal to 8. So I put 8 in, and then I'm going to put down that it's m times 3, because m is what we're looking for, and x is 3, so this is m times 3. The slope times x, this is mx, this is m times x, plus b is minus 7. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'd like to clean this up a little bit, make it look a little more regular, so to speak. All I'm going to do in this next step is just switch these two values around, m and 3, so it looks like 8 equals 3m, because usually we write the number first and the variable second. 8 equals 3m minus 7. Now I'm looking for m. I have a minus 7 attached to it and a 3 multiplied to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take care of my addition and subtraction. So I'm going to move the minus 7 to the other side. And to do that, I'm going to add the opposite. The opposite minus 7 is plus 7. And then 8 plus 7 is 15. And I'm left with 3m equals 15, because 8 plus 7 is 15. And 3m minus 7 plus 7 is just 3m. Now I have a 3 times m. In order to move the 3 to the other side, I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and then I get m equals 5. Okay, there you go. Now we have a b, which we need, the y-intercept, which we were given. We calculated m, and now we can simply write the equation of that line. That is a y-intercept of minus 7 and goes to the point 3, 8. That is y equals mx plus b, y equals 5x minus 7. There you go. That's the equation of that line. Okay, let's do 2 more. We'll go a little quicker. This time we have the point is 10, 0. And we have the y-intercept is 4. And the point is 10, 0. X is 10. Y is 0. Same thing. Y equals mx plus b. We're given b. We need an m. I'm going to substitute those values in. The y is 0. This is x, obviously. This is y is 0. M times 10. M times x. And then the intercept is plus 4. Switch that around, so we have y equals 10m plus 4. We're going to get rid of we're going to move the plus 4 over. We're going to add the opposite. Opposite of plus is minus 4. So then we have 10m equals minus 4. 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4. 10m plus 4 minus 4 is just 10m. Now we're going to move the 10 over. How are we going to do that? We're going to divide both sides by 10. We get that m is equal to minus 4/10, so we can simplify that to minus 2/5. Once again, we're ready to write the equation. We have our intercept, b, we have our slope, m, and we simply write that y equals mx plus b, y equals minus 2/5 x plus 4. Plus 4, plus 4, we calculated minus 2/5, minus 2/5. All right, so there you go. The last one, we're simply going to write down what we're given again. Our intercept is minus 6. The point is minus 4, minus 20. Excuse me. Try to put some minus signs in here and make it a little more complicated. Do the same thing. We need an m and a b. We have b. We need to calculate m for our slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Y is minus 20. Y is minus 20. Y is minus 20. And then we have mx. M is what we're looking for. X is minus 4. And the b is minus 6. Once again, we're just going to rearrange the m and the 4, or the m and the minus 4, so we get minus 20 equals minus 4 m minus 6. We move the 6 over by adding 6 to both sides. That gives us 4m, or minus 4m, because minus 6 and plus 6 is 0. Minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14, so we have minus 4m equals minus 14. We're going to divide by what's in front of the m, which is minus 4. And we get m is minus 14 over minus 4, which of course we can simplify that to 7 halves. Remember, a minus divided by a minus, or a negative number divided by a negative number, gives you a positive. 14 fourths can be reduced to 7 halves. Okay, once again, we're done. B is minus 6, m is 7 halves, and we write down y equals mx plus b, y equals 7 halves x minus 6. Okay, that's it. I did all three of those. You see it's basically the same thing over and over again. Be careful of your minus signs. Don't forget your minus signs. Thank you very much. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please do all the following 3 things. Subscribe to my channel, get all my excellent physics, chemistry, and math videos. Leave me a thumbs up for this video. And also, give me a nice positive comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.